How ESFJ acts when they like someone. ESFJ individuals may display specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Warm and supportive. ESFJs are naturally warm and supportive individuals. When they like someone, they may express their feelings through increased kindness, encouragement, and emotional support. Thoughtful gestures. ESFJs often show affection through thoughtful gestures. They may go out of their way to do considerate things for the person they like, such as bringing gifts, cooking a meal, or offering help. Social inclusion. ESFJs enjoy socializing, and when they like someone, they may include them in social gatherings and events, introducing them to friends and family. Expressive communication. Communication is vital for ESFJs, and when they have feelings for someone, they may become more expressive. They openly share their thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Attentive listening. ESFJs are attentive listeners, and when they like someone, they may show genuine interest in what the person has to say. They listen with empathy and make an effort to understand the other person's perspective. Creating harmony. ESFJs value harmony in relationships. When interested, they may go out of their way to create a positive and harmonious atmosphere, avoiding conflicts and promoting cooperation. Remembering details. ESFJs pay attention to details, and when they like someone, they may remember and recall specific details about the person's life, preferences, and experiences. How to make an ESFJ like you. Appreciate their thoughtful gestures. Acknowledge and appreciate the thoughtful gestures they make. ESFJs value recognition for the efforts they put into expressing their affection. Engage in open communication. Foster open and expressive communication. ESFJs appreciate partners who are willing to share thoughts and feelings openly. Participate in social activities. Join in social activities and gatherings. ESFJs enjoy partners who can engage comfortably in social settings. Show gratitude. Express gratitude for their support and kindness. ESFJs appreciate being acknowledged for the positive impact they have on the relationship. Create harmony. Value harmony and cooperation in the relationship. ESFJs appreciate partners who contribute to a positive and harmonious atmosphere. Be an attentive listener. Engage in attentive listening. ESFJs value partners who take the time to understand their thoughts and feelings. Share personal details. Open up and share personal details about your life. ESFJs appreciate a reciprocal exchange of information to deepen the connection. In summary, connecting with an ESFJ involves appreciating their thoughtful gestures, engaging in open communication, participating in social activities, showing gratitude, creating harmony, being an attentive listener, and sharing personal details.